Hello everybody, my name is Mira and this is my assistant Helena Walker. Today we'll be going over how light works and how it affects our everyday lives.
Have you ever wondered what life would be without light or color? The world would be a boring place. Many of us take light for granted. Today we want to take a closer look at light.
The sun's light contains a perfect blend of 7 colors that you may have seen in the rainbow. The sun emits white light, the sum of all wavelengths of visible light together. Objects appear to have colors. They're able to selectively absorb and reflect certain wavelengths of visible light.
Let's take a look at this light bulb. You may be wondering how all the colors are making this light bulb red. An object will appear red when it observes all wavelengths of visible light except for red. The red light is scattered to our eye, so the object looks red.
In other words, we don't see things, we see light bouncing off of things.
But wait, Mira, what about the black and white light?
That's a good question. Let's go find out by doing a simple experiment. Let's take a look at this black and white cloth. We're going to come back in an hour to see what's happened to it. Helena, why don't you go and pick up the cloth? Why is the black cloth warmer? Because the white cloth does not absorb any wavelengths of visible light, or in other words, it reflects light, making it produce smaller amounts of thermal energy. The black cloth, however, absorbs all wavelengths of visible light, so no light is scattered to the eye.
Wow, that's amazing. I wonder what it'd be like to live in a world just of black and white.
Well, based on our last experiment, I would say the world in black would be pretty hot. Ha ha ha. We're extremely lucky to live in a world of light. I think we should take a closer look at the rainbow. What do you think, Helena?
I was thinking the same thing. That'd be a great idea.
Now, I'm sure all of you have seen a prism before, right? And all of you have seen how the rainbow, when you've shown the light through it. But have you ever seen when that rainbow goes through another prism?
No, what does it do?
It changes back to white light.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing. What else is cool about a prism and the rainbow?
Well, I'm glad you asked. The dispersion of white light into a spectrum occurs because the different colors are refracted by different amounts by the glass of the prism. But the same thing happens when it rains outside. You see a rainbow.
What do you mean?
A rainbow is formed in the sky by white light from the sun being refracted by water droplets in the air. The colors are split up with the red on the outside. To see a rainbow, you must be facing away from the sun and towards the rainstorm.
Wow. I really think that is cool, but I just looked at the clock and I should be...
And what more is...
I really should be going.
Oh, just one more minute. We have to do the conclusion at least.
I really have to go.